Good day, everyone! Teacher Flor Gonzalez at your service. Today, I would like to share with you some fun tricks and magic with numbers. Okay? I will be guessing your birthday, your age, and the initials of your name. But before that, I would like you to share, or I would like you to prepare calculator, paper, and pen. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Okay, let's start. So again, I will be guessing your birthday, your age, and the initials of your name. So let's start with your birthday. You follow the steps. Step 1. Multiply your birthday by 2. So for example, I will be using Iniago's birthday. That will be August 10. So I will multiply 10 by 2. So I will get 20. Next, add 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Next is multiply by 50. So we have here 25 times 50 is equal to 1,250. Next is you add the month of your birthday. So we will assign January 1, for February 2, for March 3, for April 4, for May is 5, June 6, 7, July, and 8, August. So since it's August, we will use 8. We'll have there 1,250 plus 8. So we have 1,258. Then our last step is to subtract 1,258 minus 250. So our final result is 1,008. So the last two digits is your birth month. And the first two digits is your birthday. So birth month is August. So we have 8. And the day of your birthday is 10. So we have 1,008. See? Then let's have your age. Okay, this time, choose a number between 2 and 9. So only 2 and 9. So for example, I will be choosing 9. So next is multiply it by 2. So we have times 2. Next is add 5. So for my example, we have 18 plus 5 is 23. Next is multiply it by 50. So we have 23 times 50 is 1,150. So I hope you're following the steps. And next step is, so if you have not celebrated your birthday this year, so you add 1,770. But if you already celebrated your birthday, you add 1,771. Since it's not yet August, so we will add 1,770 for my example, and I will get 2,920. And lastly, subtract your birth year. So since the birth year of Inigo is 2012, so we will subtract 2012 and we will get 908. So that's our final result. So we have 908. So our first digit is the number that you have chosen. So diba, I chose 9. So I have 9 there. And the last two digits is your age. So Inigo is 8. He will be 9 on August. So that's the 9 is the chosen number. 8 is the age of Inigo. Okay, is it amazing? You want some more? Okay. Next is the initials of your name. Take note of this, okay? So we have here, take the number corresponding to the first letters of your name and the last name. So using this, so I would like to choose my names for my example. So for Flor de Liza, and that is 71. For Gonzalez G, that is 97. You can look at your initials also so that you can join with me and follow the steps that I will be giving you after this. Are you done? Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, we already have our corresponding number for our first letters of our first name and last name. So we have here. So we will do the same thing with our first name and last name. So add 5 for each numbers. So we have here for first name is 71 plus 5, 76. We have for the last name is 97 plus 5 is 102. Okay, next is divided by 2. Okay, we have the result 38 and 51. Next is we subtract 2. So we have 36 for my first name and 49 for my last name. And step 5 is we get the square root of each number. So when we say square root, you add or you multiply the number by itself, then you will get this particular answer. So for example, 36. So think of a number that when you multiply it by itself, the answer is 36. And that will be 6. Because 6 times 6 is 36. And for 49, that will be 7. Because 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, take note of the results of your first name and your last name. Okay, next step is multiply 100 from the result of your first name. So that is 6 times 100. So we have 600. Next is add the result in step 6 with the result of your last name. So that is 600 plus 7. So 607. And lastly, divide it by 100. So my final answer now is 6.07. Okay, so our final answer is 6.07. So the number or the decimal number or the number after the decimal point is the initial of your last name. And the whole number or the number before the decimal point is the initial of your first name. Okay? If you look at here, F here is 6. G here is 7. So that is the initial of my first name, F, 6, and the initial of my last name, 7. Okay? I hope you got it. So you can also do this at home, no, with your siblings, with other family members at home. Instead of playing gadget, using your computer, playing games with your cell phone, you can also do this at home, no, with you, the people at home. Huh? Have fun, have some tricks with numbers. No? It's also good to do this instead of using gadget. No? It's also fun. No? Make magic with numbers. Okay? You want some more? I have one more. And I call it Mysterious 5. The mysterious number 5. No, I call this mysterious number 5. Okay. First step. Choose a number from 1 to 9. Any number from 1 to 9. So for example, for me, I will choose 7. Next is multiply it by 2. So for my example, I will get 14. Step 3, add 10. So for my example, 14 plus 10 is 24. Step 4, divide it by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. And lastly, subtract the number that you have chosen. So since I chose 7, I will subtract 7 from 12. And my answer is 5. Actually, whichever number you will choose, no, if you choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or any number from 1 to 9, your result is 5. That is how mysterious 5 is. No? So, you try gani. Try all the numbers. You will end up with 5. So, that's all for today. I hope you have fun and with numbers. As what I have said, you can also do this at home with all the people at home. So have fun, have magic with numbers. If you want some more, you can go to YouTube. There are so many math tricks and magic with numbers in YouTube. Okay? Have a nice day and bye!